Meaning of Federal Bureau of Investigation.
Federal Bureau of Investigation.
Federal Bureau of Investigation.
Federal Bureau of Investigation.
Federal Bureau of Investigation. The Federal Bureau of Investigation, FBI, is a national law enforcement agency in the United States. It is responsible for investigating federal crimes within the country, such as terrorism, organized crime, and cybercrime, among others. The FBI was established in 1908 as a division of the Department of Justice, and has since grown to become one of the most prominent law enforcement agencies in the world. The agency also plays a role in intelligence gathering and analysis, and works closely with other domestic and international law enforcement agencies.